Alright, got another video here on the Nomad, and they did send me a working receiver. I forget the name of this, the RBDR4 something, whatever. I put up here on the screen with the name of the thing, with octopus antennas. So it's working now, and I set up this kind of weird test as best I could because I can't do beyond line of visual sight flying, like going behind buildings, that kind of stuff. So we've got a flight controller here, and it's got GPS connected to the receiver, and I have it actually connected to the video out to the video in on this FPV monitor. For some reason the DVR doesn't work anymore, or at least doesn't work, and it doesn't record the audio video stream. It only records the receiver it's built in. Anyway, what I did was I did test with the Nomad and the new receiver in Gemini mode, and I was originally going to wait for the 3.5 firmware to come up. I thought it'd be up by now, and I need to move on to other projects, so I'm going to clear this off my table. It's still on 3.4.3. I may do this test again later if there's like a lot of people interested in it, but I doubt it. And what I did was I made this basically there's a box here with this stuff, and I'll call this the drone, and I'm walking away from the transmitter. I'm leaving the transmitter here on my desk on the second floor of my house, and I'm going through my neighborhood, taking the same path. And on the second test, so actually this is the first test, the one with the Ranger and I don't know what, I always forget the names of these receivers, RP1. So this is kind of like your basic setup here. 1 watt transmitter, and single antenna receiver, 2.4 gigahertz, no Gemini. That was the first test, and on the screen you're going to see how far away I am because I'm using a GPS. So you'll see distance from home, from where the transmitter is. You'll see the transmitter power on the screen. So I start off at low power, 10 milliwatts, 25 milliwatts, whatever, and it goes up to 1 watt for both. And then you'll see the RSSI DBM value and the link quality value. And also you'll see where receiver connection is lost. I'm not exactly sure how to interpret the numbers. So, the idea behind this Gemini system here is to be able to punch through interference and maintain the connection. Now I found that the range was the same, or maybe a little bit better on this one, not that much different, which is correct because they are not claiming it's there to improve range. It's there to improve the reliability of the signal. So you can look as I walk away, I'm going further away from the transmitter. You can look at the RSSI DBM and the link quality numbers between the two tests and kind of make your own judgments. I'm going to leave this up to your interpretation. You guys can watch both video tests. The first one will be this one. This will be the baseline, no Gemini, and then basically the same setup, dynamic power up to 1 watt, Gemini mode, of course, with this. And then the packet rate I'm using for both tests is the lowest packet rate, 50 hertz. So, I want to get, obviously it's going to increase latency, but I want to see, that's going to give you the best connection overall. So I will show you the 2 video clips, and let me know what you guys think in the comments as to which did better. Really curious to see what the consensus is from people that watched the video. Alright, that's it for now. Talk to you later.